In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an Amazon gift card. Using an Amazon gift card is a great way to pay for your purchases without directly using a credit or debit card. And the process is actually pretty simple once you've seen it done. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own device. First, go to the Amazon website and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one before you can use your gift card. Once you're logged in, start by adding the items you want to buy to your cart, just like you normally would when shopping on Amazon. When you're ready to pay, look at the top right corner of the page and click on your cart. This will open a page that shows everything you're about to purchase. Take a moment here to double check your items, quantities, sizes, and any other options, so you're sure everything is correct before moving on. When everything looks good, click the button that says Proceed to Checkout. On the next page, Amazon will ask you to choose a delivery address. If you already have addresses saved, you can select one of those. If not, you can add a new address by filling in your details. Once you've chosen the correct address, click Deliver to this address to continue. Now you'll arrive at the final checkout page. This is where you confirm your delivery options, review your order summary, and most importantly, choose your payment method. Look for the section labeled Payment Method. Within that section, there should be an option that says use a gift card, voucher, or promo code. Click on that. When you do, it will expand and show a text field labeled something like enter a gift card, voucher, or promotional code. Carefully type in the code from your Amazon gift card. It's usually a mix of letters and numbers, so enter it slowly to avoid mistakes. Once you've entered the code, click the Apply button. If the code is valid, Amazon will confirm that your gift card balance has been added to your account and applied to this order. You'll see your order total update to reflect the gift card amount. If your gift card covers the entire cost, you won't be charged anything else. If your order total is higher than your gift card balance, the remaining amount will be charged to your default or chosen payment method on file. After reviewing everything one last time, you can place your order as usual. And that's it. That's how you use an Amazon gift card to pay for your purchase.